Welcome to our video on India's manufacturing momentum. We explore how recent initiatives and reforms are building a self-reliant nation. This video covers India's manufacturing journey, from general growth and defense to electronics, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and other emerging sectors. We begin with an introduction to India's manufacturing growth. The Make in India vision has introduced bold reforms over the last 12 years to establish the country as a global manufacturing hub, spanning key sectors like defense and pharmaceuticals. Manufacturing contributes significantly to India's economy, accounting for 16 to 17% of GDP and employing over 27 million people. The sector is seeing strong growth, with exports reaching $44.24 billion in July 2026. Government policies like the PLI scheme, PM Gati Shakti, and the National Logistics Policy are accelerating development. Targeted programs for MSMEs and electronics are fostering innovation and increasing production capacity. Next, we examine India's defense manufacturing revolution. Indigenous defense production is rising, reaching 1.78 lakh crore in fiscal year 2025-26. This reflects a 15.6% growth, with the private sector now accounting for 24% of this production. Defense exports have surged remarkably, expanding to over 80 countries. Initiatives like Srijan are further boosting domestic sourcing by listing thousands of vendors and products. Digital and policy support, such as the 10 positive Indigenization Lists and the Defense Equipment Empowerment Platform, are ensuring transparent supply chains and prioritizing domestic components. Moving on to electronics and semiconductor manufacturing. Electronics production has seen significant year-on-year growth to 13.11 lakh crore, with exports increasing 11-fold since 2014-15. Policies like the National Policy on Electronics continue to enhance the ecosystem. The Semicon India program continues to advance, with over 1.64 lakh crore in investments approved for 12 units. This includes manufacturing for silicon fabs and displays, with several units now commercially active. Mobile manufacturing is a major success story, with over 99% of phones now made in India. A 62,500 crore scheme is further incentivizing R&D, production, and local sourcing. Finally, we highlight advances in the pharmaceutical and textiles industries. India's pharmaceutical sector is a global leader, ranking third by volume. With a massive turnover and significant export figures, the industry continues to grow, supported by PLI schemes and investments aimed at boosting API and medical device production. The textile and apparel industry is another vital sector, employing 45 million people and contributing 2% to GDP. It stands as the sixth largest global textile exporter, strengthened by government programs like PM Mitra Parks and dedicated missions. Key initiatives are driving progress in these fields. Bulk drug parks reduce costs, while the Biopharma Shakti mission encourages innovation. Additionally, the mission for cotton productivity focuses on enhancing yield and quality to secure raw materials. Looking ahead, India is also fostering growth in several emerging sectors, including maritime, automobiles, and solar photovoltaics. In the maritime sector, a major package of nearly 70,000 crore is supporting shipbuilding and development funds. Simultaneously, container manufacturing is being ramped up with significant investment to increase domestic capacity tenfold by 2031. The automobile industry has seen production rise by 33% over the last decade, employing millions. Strategic policies, including the PLI scheme and the PM eDrive initiative, are accelerating electric vehicle adoption and manufacturing infrastructure. Finally, the solar PV sector is expanding rapidly. With 100 gigawatts of module capacity already achieved, ongoing PLI schemes for high-efficiency manufacturing are driving exports and positioning India for strong growth through 2030. Thank you for watching this overview of India's manufacturing landscape.